What's good, Martians? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another reaction video from your girl. Guys, your girl is back, and today we're gonna check out Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer. If you guys missed my last reaction from Peter Gabriel, make sure y'all check that video out after this video is through. If you guys are new to this channel, before y'all leave, smash that subscribe button. All right, you guys don't want to miss. Join the family. Let's get right into this intro, baby. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's get this video pulled up as always. Oh, okay. Interesting. Sperm baby. Sledgehammer. I really wonder. Upside down, baby.
Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Yeah. Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be
okay, baby.
Where the fruit is sweet as can be.
I hear you.
I wanna be your sledgehammer.
Hey.
Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Okay. I definitely know I ain't hot.
Show for you. I've been free in the river. What we do is
Yes, Peter, come with it. Come with it, Peter. Hey. Peter, Peter, Peter. He wants somebody to call his name. Peter. I like the song. Sledgehammer. You know, I'm really thinking one thing, maybe because my mind is perverted, you know what I mean? Especially when he said something about open your fruitcake. I'm just like, God damn, okay, honey. That video was wild. I liked it. It was definitely crazy and it was fun. And one thing I loved about the video is I love the beat, okay? The beat had me dancing. If y'all know me, y'all know that Marsha loves a good beat. As long as it makes me feel good and makes me groove to the music, like, I freaking enjoy it. Even if I don't even know what the hell they're saying. Peter Gabriel, he did that thing, all right? And as I said in the beginning, make sure y'all check out my last reaction from Peter, okay? And the only reason I'm putting up both fingers, because when I put up the cards, I don't know which way it's gonna be. So I might as well put up both fingers, over here or over here. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think about this video, because I enjoyed it. This is my second time hearing a song from Peter Gabriel, and I'm gonna check out more from him. Please comment down below and let me know what songs you guys would like me to react to. I definitely see a lot of you guys comments. Sometimes I can't get to all of them, but I see y'all, okay? I see y'all. I see y'all. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on y'all post notification bell so y'all can be the first one to be notified after your girl posts a video, okay? And I will see y'all, hopefully, especially if you subscribe, in another one. Peace.